Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Way better than what I had before. Way better than what I had before. All right, if you guys give me an opportunity, I didn't know what I was doing before, but I know what I'm doing now. All right, and I've had some accidents. All right, with the nitrous system, so all right, I got quite a bit of experience in a short time. All right, so if you give me a chance, I'm gonna draw up some diagrams. All right, that's way better than the nitrous outlet diagrams. All right, I'm gonna draw up some diagrams that give you a straight push button nitrous system for your Ram truck. I mean, it's like a factory setup. All right, this number 3 right here is my heater, all right, for the nitrous, the heater blanket. And this right here activates the whole nitrous system. After I hit number 4, when I hit that number 4, I could just hit the gas. Everything's automated after that. Oh yeah, baby, it's badass. It's badass, and you can set it to where you want it, and it stays that way. Hit 4, boom, gone, right? Just as long as your bottle's warm, and that's what number 3 is for. All right, hot damn. Here's the cleanup video. Hell yeah. Alrighty, fellas and fellettes, welcome back to the Hot Damn Racing team, and if you're new here, welcome. Alright, so yeah, on my other channel I kind of was installing nitrous. I didn't really show how I was doing it because I didn't know what I was doing. Now I know what I'm doing, and I gotta clean up what I didn't know how to do, alright, from last year, or from the beginning of this year, or something like that. Last year, beginning of this year, some type of deal or whatever. But now it's time to clean it up, right? Had the nitrous solenoids all sitting over here. Gas solenoid's gonna stay here. All right, been drilling holes. Got rubber grommets where my wires are gonna go through. All right, they're gonna hang out underneath this windshield wiper cowl deal here. All right, that little plastic piece. These things right here are super secure with some 3M tape. 3M tape is amazing. All right, so yes, this is a little embarrassing, but it happened. All right, and what I'm doing this weekend, hopefully I get it all done this weekend. I'm getting that all cleaned up because I want to do some nitrous pumping, but it's got to be together right. All right, and soldering, that's a huge problem I see. All right, with people not doing. You need to solder your nitrous stuff together. All right, real deal. If you don't, I swear that stuff might act erratically. All right, one of these days, if it ain't happening now, it'll happen. Alright, I tacoed my throttle body, and that's why. Alright, it's because it was not soldered. A little bit of static electricity, alright, or whatever, just a little jiggle of the wire. And I see it on, what's that, the nitrous Hemi's page or whatever, where people are having problems with their window switch and their solenoid's not firing correctly, or it's firing at idle. That's what happened to mine when it wasn't soldered. Alright, the wire soldered correctly. I would say to, like, you know, wire solder to your TPMS, or your connection's really crappy to your nitrous solenoids. Alright, they'll fire on their own. Alright, if you have a little power going to them and they jiggle a little, right, it's just pretty surprising how sensitive these things are. Alright, to electricity. Alright, this is a true story. Okay, nitrous is safe. Alright, if you're safe. If you're not safe, nitrous is not safe. It's just the way it is. Alright, nitrous is just like running anything else. Alright, you set it up right, your timing's right, boom, boom, boom. Right, I hit nitrous tons of times, no problems. One time I had a problem. Alright, but I know what happened, and I corrected that, and I'm going to correct it even more. I haven't been running nitrous because I want it to be right. I need to get these lines tucked around. I want everything tucked and hits. Woo! Alright, when I come back, I'm not going to show y'all everything right now. When I come back, hopefully it's all tucked in, and I'm surprised at how much room I got in there. You got a lot of room, guys, in there if you want to tuck anything, right? Your Coke, a cola, hot damn. Alrighty then, it's been a while. Got the wires all tucked away. Still got to cut the purge line. Just got it connected. Checking for leaks. Make sure we ain't got no leakage. Alright, no leaks. Everything's pressurized. Let's purge it. Let's purge it. Let's see what we get with a purge. Alright, so put the key on, right? Let me show you how this. Dingle dingle berry, open this in them hair. I can't sing. Alright, then we hit this one. I need the number 4. Alright, turns everything on nitrous wise. And after that's on, we got a red button right here. Can barely see it, but that's the purge button. You press that button, it should. Probably can't see nothing. A little dark, but anyway. Ooh, damn, that was loud. Whoops, and it bent that line around. I could have broke a window or something. Damn, that is a big shot, big purge. The other line is a lot smaller, and I had like a dual deal going. You can't really tell, but this line's a lot bigger. The orifice is huge, and I hope I didn't scratch something. Wow, there's a lot of pressure in there. I forgot about how much pressure there is. Woo! Can't wait for the big purge. It's gonna be great. Hot damn, hell yeah, almost done. Wire tucking. Whoops. Nitrous hidden. Badass. Just got to do a couple tests. We'll do the gas test, make sure the gas is working, and then I'll make sure that the nitrous is coming through the nitrous plate. Basically, the nitrous solenoid's firing. Obviously, the purge solenoid is working perfectly. Ooh, hot damn, I cannot wait. Maybe around like the 25th. I'll pump it and dump it. I will pump it and dump it. Damn, that is a mega purge. That's the big purge. You actually buy it like that. It's like big purge, something, whatever, big show. That's it, big show. It's called Big Show. Nitrous outlet, Big Show. Hot damn, hell yeah. Alrighty, fellas, I'm skipping along here. It's getting later on into the night, and I am like almost done. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Wires gone, at least for the most part. Alright, we got a fuel line. Alright, wires going to the fuel solenoid. That's nitrous gas right there. That's coming from the bottle. And that line's going all the way to the back. Got all my power lines through there. Oh, my little relays and whatnot. Oh man, way better. There was lines, I mean, there was wires everywhere, guys. It works. I tested it. Alright, I put the Big Show purge deal on here. I don't know how well you can see it, but I got to put a little rubber grommet, drilled my hole. Alright, yeah, it's probably a little long right now, but that's okay. Getting her done. Took some work all day long. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, I like it. We got this wire right here. Got to kind of do something with that. That's going to one of the coil packs for the window switch. Ooh baby, ooh baby, I like it. I like it a lot. I really like it. I like it. It works. I'm ready to pump it. Alright, well, I believe it all works. I still have to test the gas solenoid, and the actual nitrous solenoid, purge solenoid works perfectly. Alright, so what's that? The 25th of this month and the 16th of next month. We're gonna get some. I think I'll do the pump next month when the weather is just a little bit better. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. A whole lot better. It's a whole lot better. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. Nitrous stuff. If you guys want to know about it, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and start making some videos. How to hook it up, how to do a complete system. Alright, and how to get it rocking. After you get the system hooked up, you could basically change out the pills, jets, whatever you want to call them. All right, and you can run 50 shot, 75 shot, 100 shot, 150 shot, right, 200 shot, whatever you want. Once it's set, it's ready to go. Hot damn, hell yeah. All right, just kind of showing y'all what's going on. Get rid of the wires. All right, when I post pictures on Facebook, I kind of get bashed a little bit, but goodness gracious, give me a break. All right, and then here's the worst part. When I go to the track and there's wires hanging out, they kind of shine the flashlight on it right as you tech in when you're at the racetrack, and they kind of shine the flashlight on the wires, and then they look at me. Not because they see something fishy with nitrous. It's nothing new to them. They see nitrous all the time, superchargers, all kind of crazy builds. This ain't nothing. What they see is a mess, and they're looking at me like, dude, just kind of clean that up a little bit. So that's what I did. All right, that's what I did. It was a jungle. It was a jungle. It ain't a jungle no more. I like it. Well, hot damn. That's it right there. That is it. I got to get the intake on there. Man, next week I cannot wait. Hell yeah. Hot damn. I appreciate y'all.